Okay, welcome back. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that SEBI is in an advanced stage of investigation in the Axis Bank Max Life deal, and SEBI is also examining valuation discrepancy in the transactions. Yash joins in with more details on all of this. Yash, what are you picking up?
Well, Sonia, the transaction that you spoke about, under that Axis Bank, picks up about 19% stake in Max Life Insurance. When the first tranche of this transaction was executed, that was about 12.99%. IRDAI, which is the insurance regulator, had penalized both entities for two things. One is for a discrepancy in the pricing of the deal, and the second one was with respect to entities making undue gains out of this particular transaction. What we've been given to understand is that market regulator SEBI is also investigating in the matter. In fact, SEBI is at a very advanced stage of its investigation when it comes to this particular transaction. The action from market regulator SEBI is expected to soon. This is what we've been given to understand from our sources. And the charges that market regulator SEBI is looking into is of course, loss to public shareholders because of the valuation deficit which was arrived at for the first tranche of the transaction. SEBI believes that there could be a loss of shareholder value through this particular transaction which happened. And the second part is about the valuation differential or the valuation discrepancy itself. Now, just to help you understand what exactly is this discrepancy in the valuation, the first 12% of the transaction where Axis Bank acquired that stake in Max Life was done at an average of about 32 rupees per share. After the penalty which came from the insurance regulator, the next tranche, which was about 6%, for that the pricing was revised to about 113 rupees per share. Now, if one is to assume that 113 is the fair market value, then as per that, in the first tranche of the transaction, there was a loss of shareholder value to the tune of about 1800 crore, which was derived from this particular transaction. Market regulator SEBI is investigating exactly that, where we've been given to understand that there could be some action from SEBI. We've written to all three parties involved in this particular transaction, Axis Bank, Max Life, as well as the investigating agency, that is SEBI in this particular case. We are still awaiting a response from all these three entities.
All right, Yash, thank you very much for that. Just to clarify, that number, 1,800 crores, that is as per CNBC-TV18 calculation, and that is not something which we've learned from sources or from, any of the other parties. That is a simple calculation which Yash has done with regards to the difference at which the first tranche was done at, which was 32 rupees, and the next one, which was over 130 rupees per share.